Attack commencing.
Exactly. Keep your eyes peeled.
Begin the experiment.
With me.
I wonder if you realize that I'm not linked on.
Thank you kindly.
Ah, that hurts.
Deciding what to do.
Thank you. Alright, ready to go.
Teleport up, out, teleport, fight up there.
Fight, for the love of God, fight!
How do we take over the hallway? What's on right? Here, okay.
Yeah, healer down.
Come on. All the healer died.
The widow back there that hurt very much.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep you back behind them.
Got tree.
Mercy's down.
We're doing pretty good, right? Let's get up there.
We're doing great.
Yeah.
This bitch, bro.
She don't like you.
She does not.
Shit. Oh, you fucking.
Take the objective.
She's trying to hit me. You're in deep, watch out, behind you.
Oh, I know. Got the bitch.
Oh, shit. Need the heals.
Oh,
Only one
right
healer,
on
don't
that.
forget.
We got Junkrat on the right.
Fake.
What?
Remember, there's one healer though. In case you're wondering, don't put too much pressure on the guy.
I was like, well, who's
Just
pushing
let
me?
me know ahead of time.
He's gonna
Multiple
shatter.
pour, multiple
Fight
pour.
KO, fight KO.
Thank you. Fine. I got junk
Nice,
back.
Reaper down.
Coming back.
Reaper killed her.
There's a sniper on the right.
Yep, and that sentry. That sentry is going to be harder for me to get back from the field in front of us.
Go.
Can't fire strike because he'll shatter. My shield's gonna break. Watch him shatter.
God dang it.
Bad.
We're all gonna die.
Ah! Why me? Hey,
I'm gonna
bloody!
I just
Puppy.
wanted to listen to your mic.
What?
Junkrat.
It's not your mic.
Oh yeah, I got my mic and mixer set up.
Sounds the same. And hello.
Hello.
What do you mean sounds the same?
See,
What
you're
difference?
just.
You are so far up there.
Turret in place.
What?
Oh. Okay, enjoy your game.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Enemy turret.
I have
Widow's
all.
behind, up top.
Right there, don't.
From light.
We got Junkrat
He's
behind.
gonna build up there. Let's get a car. Let's get a car. The car. We're at the checkpoint. Great hook. Jab, nice job, Kudo. Watch the widow, watch the widow. Nice job. A lot.
Fucking sentry!
Yeah, let's push the scent point.
Sentry deployed.
Dead.
Sniper.
Sniper on the left. Ow! That hurts.
Live. From light.
Heads up. Oh, I got sniped.
Oh,
Get out, Zeke.
So you're all alone.
What we had? Pushing.
No, we got sniped and tired.
Back.
I was just swinging.
There is still much
just
to be done.
The
Through the left? Go left? Make a room of doom here with my turrets.
Yeah.
Watch out, watch out!
300
God,
shield, 200
that's so
shield, 100
stupid.
shield.
Does that?
Turret in place.
I got hooked off the map. Roadhog on the right.
Distracting.
Fucking crap.
Roadhog behind you guys on the right.
Down.
Look.
There he is.
No hook. Mark, no hook.
Align the defense system.
Widowmaker down.
Torb,
Oh, he got me, and a Torb ulted too. That's alright, they're two dead. Torb and Warthog's off.
No, I can't. Like I know I can't.
Coming.
There is still much to be done. Teleporter online.
Watch that Widowmaker.
John trying to push me. John push me. Watch it. Watch that.
Experience tranquility.
John's behind.
I have all.
Hog me. Sorry, Zane.
Nice.
Perception.
Wow.
They're resing. Got her. Hog's gonna get me. Oh, thank you, Chaos.
Oh, gotcha, bro!
Nice save. Nice.
That was kind of bad for me.
Play of the game.
Oh yeah.
This Widow.
That's pretty good. Yeah. Try it.
Oh yeah, it's got me here too.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, that's...
I don't know who the hell that was, but they were way too deep.
What's he calling that?
Like,
Junk
oh,
sword.
you're in my gas. Let me ding ding ding. Hey, good win, guys.
Good win. Good win. How it works towards a loop out.
Called the Symmetra.
Sick. Yeah.